Wagwan Generals, welcome back to another video. How y'all doing? Hope y'all doing good today. And you see the title, you know what's going on, man. You know what's going on, man. We're about to start the car here. That is it. Yeah, papa. Yeah, man, we both start making some wagwan. Take a look at what's going on, man. Yes, papa. Yumber. Still doing some wiring up right now. Got a few sensors that I gotta plug in and put the battery in. I'm pretty sure that battery ain't gonna start the car, but it is what it is. So yeah, let's get to it. Alright, now it's time. It's time. Please God, let this work. It's time. It is time, boys. Whoo! I highly doubt this is gonna work because this battery been sitting for a minute, so I highly doubt it's gonna work. But I'm gonna just tap this on. I'm gonna go in the car. Got my computer. I'm gonna put a base map on it. My distributor is plugged out, so it won't start. I'm gonna just crank it over, let some oil pressure build up, let fuel go to it, and then I'm gonna just give it a start. I highly doubt it's gonna start because, as I said, this battery been sitting for a minute. So if it doesn't, in this video you will see that it is, because I will just go get it charged up. So yes sir, let's go. I'm gonna put y'all on the GoPro and let's get it. Hey, remember guys, safety first. Safety first. Yes sir, let's go try to get this thing started, you hear me? Let's get it. Whoo! Let me see. Ooh. Oh, what? It actually... Saying oil temp is out. So, alright, so it actually... The battery actually worked. So, now... I am going to load a B20 map on it. On my ECU, it's already plugged in. B20B non-VTEC stock B20. Okay. So I'm gonna upload this real quick. Oh man, I didn't connect. Okay. Now I should be connected. I am so nervous. So nervous, guys. So nervous. I hope the fuel, there's no fuel. I'm gonna check that before I try to start it too. So let me cut it back off. Cut it back off and go check, because I smell fuel. So let me go check and I'll be back. Man, there was a hissing sound coming from my fuel rail, bruh. I inspected it with ears, eyes, and nose, boys, and I found it. So I just saw some fuel leaking from this injector and my filter here. I'ma just fix that correctly. I'm good with that. But now I gotta take this off, And then probably it's the washer because it was terrible trying to get it in. So that's another step back. Okay, whatever. I'm gonna get it taken care of. My distributor is plugged out, so I'm just trying to build some oil pressure. That injector is leaking. Alrighty, now I'm gonna plug my distributor in, and we gonna try this. We finally gonna try this. Whew, I'm so nervous. I'm so nervous. We're gonna see if this thing starts. I downloaded the 200 as you saw. Let's try this again. Let's try this again. Woo. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Let's go. You see the car started. I told y'all the next video we gonna get a start out of it. You heard me? You see what's going on. I did the swap in my garage. I got a few help though. Mostly me, but let me thank myself real quick. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Gotta thank God first though. Let me stop. Thank God first. Let me thank myself. Thank you. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm so excited, man. I got a few help, though. I got to shout out to Pat and shout out to Boomer. They helped me get the engine in the car and the transmission on the engine. You know what I mean? But we on the way, man. We on the way. So I'm going to close the video out right here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You hear me? Let's go. We are on the way. Oh my gosh. You hear me? Yeah, that's Pat calling me right now. Yes, sir. So, thank y'all again for watching. And the next video, we gonna go for a test drive. Because my half shaft's coming in. We out.